Hey folks, it's Russ Fi. Today is Tuesday, January 24th, 2023. I hope you're having a great day. I got a new shipment in today from Live Good, and I thought I'd go over the skin products that I got for my wife, okay? Also, check this out. Brand new gray Live Good t-shirt, so you don't have to see me wearing the other one all the time. Alright? But anyway, so I bought the Ageless Skin Serum, and I got the, what's this other stuff called? Instant Youth, okay? These are limited time products, but I thought I'd go over them anyway, just so that you can see them. And once my wife starts using these, maybe for a month or so, then I will have her do a review video with me, and she can tell you how she likes the products. All right? So this is the Ageless Skin Serum, and basically what it says is the science of beautiful skin. Healthy skin is made up of 75% collagen. Strong collagen levels give us the smooth, plump appearance of young, radiant skin. As we age, however, our body stops producing collagen. That decline in collagen production leads to the breakdown of healthy collagen levels and the development of unwanted wrinkles, causing the appearance of aged skin. Ageless is the first and only product of its kind that not only promotes your body's natural regeneration of collagen, but also includes extracts from 12 of the world's richest fruits and vegetables to provide more skin rejuvenating results than any other product on the market. More antioxidants than any other skincare products. With extracts from 12 of the world's richest fruits and vegetables harvested from the pure sources in the most pristine locations around the world, Ageless's all-natural formula is like a nutrient-rich superfood for your skin. Over 1 million bottles sold. Over the last 10 years, Ageless has been one of the best-selling high-end skincare products in the industry. Now, thanks to the Live Good model, you can get this exact product that has been selling for $59.95 per bottle for just a fraction of that price. All right, and you can see down here, if you're a Live Good member, okay, you're only going to pay $14.95 for this right here. All right, this is what it looks like. All right, comes in a box like this. And you can see the competitor prices all the way up to $86. All right, Osmosis Skincare, $86. Elta MD Skin Recovery, $59.50. So for $15, you can get one of the top skin products on the market right now. All right, so the next product that I bought is the Instant Youth. Okay, that looks like this. It comes in a little box that looks like this. All right, and this says reduce the appearance of aging in 90 seconds. Scientifically formulated to quickly and effectively diminish visible signs of aging, Ageless Instant Wrinkle Reducer helps immediately reduce the appearance of wrinkles, under eye bags, and fine lines to give you amazing results in under 2 minutes. Use anytime. Simply dab Instant Youth on areas of your skin where you would like to diminish the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Let dry and see results almost immediately. Okay, and down here, as a Live Good member, it's $14.95 for a bottle of this. And you can see the competitor prices, all the way up to $53. Okay? And you can get this stuff even cheaper, and this is what I bought, the Skincare Pack. So you can get both of these products for $24.95. All right, and you can pay, if you're not a member of Live Good, you can pay $34.95 for both of them. All right, but to become a member, it's a $9.95 membership. And that's what you pay each and every month. We have tons of products. I just replenished my Maximum Energy Pack. That comes with the organic coffee, the essential aminos, the super reds, and the super greens. And all the products on this from Live Good are top notch, okay? And I've done other videos, and I'll continue to do more videos about the products that I'm getting in, okay? So I just wanted to touch base with you about these skincare products. Like I said, in a month or so, after my wife has had time to use this stuff, I'm going to get her on here so she can give you her honest opinion on whether she likes these products or not. But yeah, you can become a member, $9.95 a month. We also have a business opportunity side of Live Good where you can earn money by referring people to Live Good. And I've done other videos on that as well. That costs a one-time payment of $40 to become an affiliate. You get a back office and everything you need to promote this company. And then it's $9.95 a month. So your initial payment is $49.95 and then $9.95 a month after that to be an affiliate. You get the membership pricing. We also have an option where you can join and pay for a year in advance, and it's $99.95 for the membership. And so what is that? $139.95 to become an affiliate for the year. Okay. So anyway, one other thing I must say about Live Good is that my tracking, all right, for this shipment that I just got in. Now you can see down here, I placed the order. It was like 12:40 in the morning on January 20th. They had the shipping label created by 10:44 a.m. that same day, and the package was pending on the 20th. So, you know, they received it at the post office. And I live up in Maine, and you can see that it was delivered today on the 24th at 4:05 p.m. All right, so 4 days. Super fast delivery times. All right, I love it. They use the USPS, and that's what we use for our soap company. And they use priority mail, and it just gets here 3 or 4 days, and you don't have to wait weeks. You know, sometimes, I mean, I've ordered health products online before. It literally takes a week before they even ship out the product. All right, but this is same day shipping, and bam, it's here. So anyway, I can't say enough good things about Live Good. I love everything about it. I will leave a link down in the description box so you can shop my store and see all the products. All right, as you can see, we have all kinds of products here, nutritional products for both men and women, and they're super cheap in price, not in quality. In quality, they're the highest quality on the market, hands down. The Ageless and the Instant Youth are limited time products for right now. You can also get some merch down here, some swag. And so, yeah. All right, and I'll also leave a link down below for the business opportunity part of this. If you're interested in that, you just click on the link. You'll be taken over to a page that looks like this. All right, there's a 5-minute, 55-second video that goes into great detail about the company and how everything works. You can reserve your position in our power line by putting your first, last name, and email here and clicking reserve my position. It's free to reserve your position, and you can opt out at any time. All right, so if you have any questions about any of this, please leave them down in the comment section below. I'll get back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate you taking the time to watch my videos. If you find any value in them, please consider giving me a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel if you haven't already. I look forward to seeing you in the next video, and until then, stay well, be safe, and peace be with you.